Hey everyone, just doing a quick little unboxing. I got my Halloween box from Island Micas and More, and thought maybe you'd enjoy seeing it too. So, alright. Try to get this open. I was watching Samantha on Resin Fanatics the other day, and she had some really cool chrome pigments that I thought would work perfect on some of my rocks that I do, because I actually use nail chrome. Give it the little. Okay. But yeah, I use the chrome nail shine to add a little shimmer and highlights and stuff to my rocks. Haven't you had enough attention, Taz? Honestly. Okay, so and a couple of them were exclusive to the box only, so I was like, okay, I gotta get the box. But with it, I got a couple of resin molds, which is cool because I actually tried one with some leftover resin from the resin I use for my rocks, and it's kind of fun, you know, especially the whole demolding process after it's dry and ready to come out. So this is the vampire tooth mold that I got. Really neat. Get back in there. There we go. And this is a coffin mold, and it has a lid and everything. So yes, that looks fun. But this is what I was really interested in. Oh, nice packaging. Isn't that cute? I love this. And I can reuse this. So, awesome. Okay, we've got 2 little brushes. Oh, a scratcher card. That's right. Get a scratcher card to get a discount code. Let's see. Ooh, what did we get? What did we get? What did we get? Do I have to scratch it or can I peel it? Oh, maybe I have to peel it. I have to peel it, I think. Or scratch it, I mean. Yep, I have to scratch it. Okay. Make a mess all over the desk. Sparky's gonna love that. What did we get? What did we get? What did we get? What did we get? Come on. I think that says an extra 6% off of my next order. And the coupon code. Wonderful. Okay, awesome. And how cute is that? A little bat. Oh, there you go. It's Batty. I love that. Yeah, here we go. This is full moon, and it is supposed to glow in the dark, I believe. And chrome purple, which is so pretty. Can you see that? Chrome black. Chrome red. Light green. And orange. Now I gotta paint a pumpkin now. Now I gotta paint a pumpkin so I can highlight it. Awesome. Okay. That's everything I got. And this is really cute, and I'm gonna reuse it. Recycle. Hi. Well, Today we are doing a rock, and it is a man-made stone using a mold from the Happy Dotting Company. It's approximately 3 inches in diameter, and we're only going to be using 2 colors of paint today, black and white. I'm using Artist Loft White and Craft Smart Black. You can use whatever brand you'd like, but those are the 2 brands I'm going with. And right now we're just tracing on our design. It is going to be a Jack Skeleton inspired Halloween rock, hence the Halloween theme. And there I've just drawn in Jack's nostrils because, well, Jack needs to breathe. And now we're going to be tracing on the eyes. And don't worry too much about your pencil lines. You can always cover them back up with white. Might take a couple coats depending upon how well your white covers. So, but yeah, they don't erase off with the eraser. You can just erase them with the paint. And so we're getting the rest of our design traced out and trying to match up our eyes as best as possible. They're not perfect, and I am cheating with a lid to trace on his mouth, make that little crescent smile. And I wish I would have done that with the eyes too, like maybe cut out a little template and held that so that way his eyes would have matched up a little better. But by the time we're done, you're not going to tell because I go over it and touch it up and correct it. So I'm a bit of a perfectionist. And yeah, now we're just going over our trace lines with our paint and a fine lining brush. Hopefully you guys can hear the music that plays. I selected some spooky music to try and get us all in the mood for Halloween and fall and have some fun. It's been difficult trying to get in the mood of Halloween and fall here this year. In southern Arizona, the temperatures have been up in the hundreds still. I think we were at around 104 on Saturday. So yeah, really craving some fall temperatures. Something in the 80s would be really welcome right about now. So I'm just going in now with a rounded brush to get better coverage with the black and a little less lines. And like I said, we make mistakes, we go out of our line work a little bit, but nothing the paint can't correct later. Okay, now what am I doing? Oh, now I'm going to trace his mouth. There we go. And I put my hand under my dominant hand that I paint with because it helps steady it. I get better control when I do that. There's the little stitches or cracks, whatever they are, in his mouth. And we're just kind of flicking it. Just a little flick, so that way we get that little pointed tip. And we'll go back in and we'll touch him up again later. But this is a pretty simple, easy little design to start with. And it's fun. It's a fun Halloween design. Be a fun Christmas design too, since it's a Christmas movie, I believe. And now we're just cleaning up, correcting stuff. Yeah, going back in, making things a little bit more presentable. I'm really excited because I got some kitty, please. Can you hear my cat? He hears me talking to you guys. So he automatically assumes, well, you must be talking to me. But now, what I'm excited about is I got some chrome pigments from Island Micas and More. And I am going to be using the black chrome to highlight Jack's eyes and really make him kind of shimmer and sparkle. And you'll be seeing that coming up here in a few minutes. But yeah, just going back in, correcting all those lines, trying to clean stuff up. And there we go. That's where we got the chrome powder from. Yeah, from Samantha at Island Micas and More. Check her out. She also has a YouTube channel. It is Resin Fanatics. I will have her link in the description below. And there it is. There's the chrome black. Now wait till you see this once it's resined. Oh my gosh. But right now, we're just taking our little eyeshadow type brush, and we're gonna just put a light amount of that pigment on our eyeshadow brush. Yeah, clean off the lid. Waste not, want not, right? And then tap any excess off. And then we're just going to kind of go around the outer edges of his eye. And then once we have all the pigment in place, we want to keep it there. We don't want it drifting out and smudging all over the white parts of our rock. If that does happen, just go over it with some more white paint. Use that paint as an eraser. But what we're going to do is we're going to seal that mica pigment in place with a UV base coat. And I get mine from Amazon. I think it's called MicArt or MicArt. And it's a UV base coat. And you need a little UV light, and you can get it off Amazon. I got mine. It came in a kit. Came with the base coat, the top coat, and the UV light all together. And so we'll put that around on the eyes to hold all the mica in place. And then put the UV light on there to dry out and harden the base coat polish that we're putting on. And that will keep that mica right in place, so we don't have to worry about smudging it anywhere and getting glitter on ourselves. That takes about a minute and a half. I have to push my little light about 3 times, and that makes the top coat set. But here it comes. Here it comes. Oh my God. Look at that mica powder shimmer in Jack's eyes. Is that pretty or what? Oh, I am in love with these mica powders. I'm pretty sure I'll be ordering more if all of them sparkle like that. Oh, I love it. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed this.